How are you doing today? My initial idea before starting this channel was part of sharing my knowledge and experience making alcohol-free or any classical drinks, was also to be able to give to all of you traditional drinks from all around the world. And as in a tribe back in the day, the knowledge was passed one person to another. I still believe through an example is the best way to keep going forward without forgetting where we come from. And what a better way, if not through classical and traditional beverages that have been used by many people for centuries. In that way of thought, I decided today to start with a very simple but also extremely popular drink, which is yogurt based. Today we're going to talk about the Ayran, also known as Ayran, Ayrani, Doogh, depending on the region. It's believed it started from Persian, or currently Iran nowadays, but it's a drink that is extremely popular in the Middle East, the Balkan Peninsula as well, I believe in the southern Mediterranean. It's, as I said, it's extremely easy to make it, and the flavor of the drink will vary depending on the type of yogurt you're using. First, I need to mention that this drink consists of yogurt and water, and it's very refreshing and is consumed especially during the hot summer days. Since we're sweating a lot, then consuming the drink helps you to incorporate to a certain level the minerals and salts we are losing with the sweat. As I said before, every region has a different type of yogurt, since different bacteria are used to create this yogurt. Also, the fat content of the yogurt will vary, so you need to adjust the recipe according to your taste. But let's stop talking about the history of this drink and go straight forward to its preparation. So you don't need to use a shaker. If I do it at home, I mix it either in a glass or in the container where the yogurt comes from. However, for the sake of presentation and to be a little bit easier, today we're gonna make it in a shaker, but it's the first and probably the last time I'm gonna do it in a shaker. So in my case, I don't like very fatty yogurts to use for this drink, because then for me personally the consistency is too oily and doesn't taste that much refreshing, but more like I'm drinking an oily soup. So I prefer to stick to a yogurt with 3 to 5% fat, and in my particular case I like to make it approximately 2 to 1, 2 parts yogurt to 1 part water. So let's get started. I fill some yogurt in this glass. Let's put a little bit. Okay, let's put it all. And to 1 glass of yogurt, we're gonna put half a glass of water. And you can leave it like this, but personally, me and many people like to add a little bit of salt to the mix. Some commercial brands are very salty, so instead to be refreshing, they are a little bit like make you even thirstier. But a little bit of salt makes it more tasty, and since we lose lots of salt while we sweat in the summer days, it helps you to maintain this balance. So you can shake it straight away, but I like it colder, so I'm gonna put a little bit of ice. Also, the ice will help to emulsify, if I can use this word, better the yogurt, so we'll speed up the process. So let's shake it. Okay, it's very fast, so no need to stress too much. And we take our glass and we just pour it. Even if the ice fails, doesn't matter. And that is how we make the Airian. Additionally, some people like to add a little bit of black pepper on top. It's really up to your preference and personal taste. So this is the first traditional drink that I'm presenting in this channel. I will try to share more of that type of beverages. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you know about any other traditional drink or anything you just want to share. And I hope to see you next time. Have a good day, everyone.